it's a special occasion and you are preparing an elegant dinner for your date. And for the third date in a row, your knives don't work like they should. Now, thanks to this smart knife care system with its unique user-friendly design, you'll achieve the most high-efficient knife sharpening result easily. Press this polish button, and a hidden sharpener will slide out from the side of the device automatically. Hold the knife and let the device work its magic. A power-driven sharpener, which is able to polish both sides of the knife in seconds. It can also work as a one-stop household sterilizer that combines a drying and disinfect function. This knife care system is equipped with a germicidal ozone ultraviolet lamp that emits ultraviolet radiation of a D-wavelength 185 nanometer, which ionizes the O2 in the air into O3.
Say hello to the PowerStrip Modular. What's unique to the PowerStrip Modular is that we've created extension modules that allow you to solve your day-to-day necessities without the use of thousands of different adapters. Say you need a Wi-Fi extender, well, there's a module for that. Or, if you need to charge up your phone, there's a module for that too. We're even working on a power bank module that you can just snap in, charge up, and snap back out to take with you on the go. There are many other modules that we're working on, such as the light module, a USB Type-C module, a sensor module. So basically, there's a ton of modules that we can create. Whether it's in the office or at home, we can all relate to this annoying problem of not finding the right plug, adapter, or charging port. And this leads us to throwing away power strips or replacing them with temporary solutions. And that's where we want to make a change. PowerStrip Modular will allow you to attach whatever module you need whenever you need it.
For over a century, the tape measure has stayed pretty much the same, until now. Introducing the first combination laser and tape measure new from General Tools. With the push of a button, the laser precisely measures up to 50 feet with one hand, and the tape measure handles all your smaller measurements. Go to thelasertape.com for the laser tape measure from General Tools. A $60 value for only $39.99. It's the...